Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the world record paper plate. So quickly get a A4 paper. First we have to make two markings. So bring this edge to this edge. Open it and bring this edge to this edge. Open it and bring this edge to this line and leave 1 millimeter space. Then bring this edge to this line and leave the same space. Then we have to fold it like this, and this crease should align with this crease, and this crease should align with this crease. Then fold it like this. Turn it and fold it in half. Have to align the top. Now let's make the wings. Hold over here, and it should not fold like this that the corner should be deep. We should leave little space and fold and hold over here so that this doesn't go. And we have to bring this edge to this corner. We have to just leave little space. Do the same on the other side also. Now let's do like this. We should not do it in the front, we should do it in the middle.
Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.